All right, welcome back, COSA 25 folks. Professor Almeida here. Hope that your weekend has been treating you well. And in this video, I want to talk about week 6 starting on Monday. By the way, week 6 is already open. So for those of you who want to work ahead, you can get started right after this video. I know some of you have already jumped into the module as we speak. Anyway, before we get into week 6, let's talk about week 5 with chapter 4 on forms and reports. Let's make sure that we get that training sim, the sim book, the training sim, the guided project, and the independent project done. Okay, don't leave things for the last minute. And if you get stuck on the concepts, okay, remember, you always have the sim book with the reading material. You have the training sims in show me and guide me modes. Let me try, get you the points, and it should be 100% every time with these training sims, folks. An easy 100%. Don't leave those points on the table. And you do need to get those training sims turned in on time, okay? You can't go back for late credit. But again, don't leave those points on the table. With the guided projects, they give you hints on where to find things in the access ribbon. Take notes of those hints. And in some cases, they give you figures. For example, with the queries back in chapter 3, they show you the design grids of how they should look. So make sure you're noting the hints, you're spending some time practicing, and then that way you will do well with your guided and independent projects. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at week 6 here in Canvas. And I want to start with the overview. Week 6 talks about templates, advanced relationships, and macros. You have an old announcement video here. So we're going to look at access templates and how we can create tables from a template with application parts, how to work with advanced relationships, and then we get into macros or automated tasks. This is something that you will see not just in Access, but in other Microsoft Office programs. The action items are pretty much the same. You have your sim book, guided, and independent projects. One important note, and this concerns Guided 5.1, you need to make sure that you correctly modify the faculty extended query in steps 6C and 6F. Otherwise, you might run into issues with grading. Okay, so again, Guided 5.1, steps 6C and 6F, make sure that you do those steps correctly. Anyway, you can see it's the same formula, sim book, guided, and independent. Okay, let's make sure we're staying on top of things. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Take care of yourselves out there, and thanks for watching.